So we're working on creating a 3D environment to show off the sculptures that the art students have made. What you see around me right now is just a pre-made background that we're using to test with. We've created this red platform here, and as you can see, if I click the trackpad on the controller, I can select a location, and that moves the box that I can walk around in to a different location. So since we're going to have a lot of sculptures to put in the environment, we're going to need a lot of space, so we'll use this to move around. And just as a demonstration, we have this 3D model of a tape measure in here, which was created using the 3D scanner that we're going to use for the actual sculptures, and we've imported it into here. This sculpture doesn't have any color. Obviously, the actual sculptures will, but yeah, as you can see, this works. I can look at this and walk around it and poke my head in it, and the sound isn't working right now, but we've already tested it in previous times that we can, in fact, attach a sound to this object, which will get louder when we've teleported closer to it and be quieter when we're farther away.